falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling.
So guys, we just got to Long Island. I'm gonna visit Tina. That's the person that's gonna be doing my hair today. She's gonna be straightening it, treating it, and she'll kind of talk to you about what she's gonna do. So her shop is all the way over there, and that's where we're headed right now. So let's go. It is so cold, like it's freezing. But this is her shop. It's called Prince. And it says hair, beauty, and self.
Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to.
What's up, LMEC gang? For those of you that don't know, I have been transitioning to natural for a total of 3 years now, and I've been doing my hair myself, and I have not straightened my hair, so I'm super duper excited to finally straighten it today. I don't know if you guys have seen my natural hair journey video, but in that video, a lot of people have been asking me questions about the hairstylist that did my hair, who did my color, and I am finally back in her shop. It's been so long, but I'm so happy to finally share her with you guys, and I can't wait for you guys to meet her. She's amazing. Let me introduce you guys to Tina.
I've been in the industry for about 20 years now. My salon is located in Lindenhurst on Long Island in New York. We currently have 4 hairstylists, a nail tech, a massage therapist, a lash specialist, and no assistant. So if anybody wants to be an assistant, you know. We specialize in hair care mainly. Our nail tech as well, she's nail care. That's what we push, that's what we stand behind, and that's what we're about. Okay, so I am going to be using the Design Essentials Natural line. It's the Agave Lavender line. It's for their silk press. We're going to be using that on her hair so we can give it basically what it needs in the safest way when it comes to putting heat on natural hair. Is this okay?
So what's like the best tip for like washing your hair?
Don't focus too much on your hair. Focus more on your scalp. You know, your scalp needs to be clean. So what you need to do is you need to more focus on the scalp and then bring product out to the end. It doesn't take much to wash the hair out. It's the scalp that creates bacteria and has sweat and is also alive.
I swear, a lot of people don't understand what
the difference between the two?
Yeah, or just like what dead hair, like hair being dead means.
That means if I go to pinch it, you won't feel it because there's no blood going through it or anything. So you have to, you know, you have to take care of it 2 different ways.
Right. I like that explanation.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you.
Do scalp massages actually stimulate growth?
Yes, it does. And fun fact, you should massage your feet as well. Every night. Yes, because you stand and you walk on your feet, and it promotes blood flow. So if you elevate your feet at night and you massage your feet, it'll help your body push that blood back up to your heart. So your heart, 1, is not straining, and 2, it gets back into your brain and your head. And usually when I put on conditioner, I do put it onto the hair and try to avoid the scalp. Although I will try to give a little bit of a massage later. But
what's the benefit of that?
Well, I don't clog the pores. You know, you've just cleaned it. You don't want to, you know, add more product onto the scalp because your scalp is going to push out its own natural oils. And then too, like I always tell people, like when you look at hair, you gotta look at your hair towards the root as like the baby. You know, and you gotta look at the hair on your ends like that old person who's using a cane and they need some help. You know, so what you need to do is you need to start from that bottom and work your way up. You know, people usually put product, they put all that product in their hands and immediately come straight here.
Yeah, for the
You
scalp.
know, like that's your baby. That's got all the nutrient in the world, you know.
Right.
That baby came out with all like great skin, smelling like baby. And, you know. Meanwhile, your ends down here suffering, about to die, choking.
Hanging
And
off
you're
of your
just
leg.
like, whatever else is left in my hands, I'll put down here. Like, girl, you better. That's the first part you need to get.
And why is sealing your cuticle important?
Because you don't want your cuticle to fray. When you have dry hair, your cuticles are fraying. It will cause split ends and your hair to break. So you want it to be sealed. You want whatever, you know, products that you put in it to be stored in the cuticle shaft.
I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you.
So I lightly detangle. Nothing crazy, because the products that I use should detangle the hair with blow drying. I'm just going to show you how to quickly detangle. So we use the Olivia Garden finger brush here. Each bristle is very, very soft, and each section moves. So it helps with springing a curl back. And we're on to blow drying.
So basically, Tina's gonna talk about like how she flat ironed my hair and got it to where it is right now. And she uses the chasing method.
So it's the flat iron, it's the comb and then the flat iron afterwards. One, so that it detangles the hair and you're going to be able to get the hair straight all the way to the ends without any crinkling or what have you. I usually touch the root probably twice, and then I carry the flat iron halfway, pick it up with the comb, and then bring it all the way through.
Man, you're really doing this. You're really cutting.
Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. This is how my hair came out. As usual, Tina slayed my hair. She gave it to me just how I want it, and I absolutely love it. Like, honestly, this is the best decision I've ever made, and I don't regret a single second of it. I'm super excited to start my natural hair journey and share my experience with you guys, and this is only the beginning. So I hope this inspires you on your natural hair journey. I hope this encourages you to just let it go. Like, once you see that your hair is not growing at the pace you want it to, or is like causing you stress, or just, you know, it's not making you happy, I feel like, you know, you should just let it go. Like, look at this. This is awesome. This is healthy. This is what healthy hair looks and should feel like, and I cannot wait to begin my journey and share every experience with you guys. So until next time, bye.